This isn't Kevlar. This time we're testing our armor plate insert. And we're not using just any round. This is the M855 5.56 45mm green tip steel core penetrator, engineered for the battlefield. A modern threat that's become the benchmark for level 3 plus ballistic protection. We chambered it. We took the shot. Steel core versus plate insert. Watch it hold. This is real-world protection, stopping steel core rifle fire with lightweight armor, all packed into the cargo series. The last test is on the horizon. Level 4 M2 armor piercing. Stay sharp. 2026 is locked in.